Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Culture. This channel will contain those programs whose explanation is either not present on YouTube or the explanation is present but not up to the mark. So without wasting time, let's get started. So today is the 27th day of the September lead coding challenge and today's problem is the unique email addresses. Okay, so first of all, this question might look a bit frightening as the description is very big, but it's a very easy question. So if you are not able to solve, no problem. I will make a very easy explanation and you all will be able to understand. So first of all, let's see what we will be given. We will be given a string array emails. Okay, so yeah, we will be given a string array in which there will be several emails. Like here in this email there are 3 emails given, and what we have to do is that we have to count the number of unique addresses. I mean that different number of addresses that are given in the email. So there are 2 constraints, like if there will be any dot, so we will simply neglect it and move on. And okay, so yeah, it will be only applied till the local name and not in the domain name. Like after @ there might be any dot and we will not neglect it. We will neglect till the @ symbol before it. Before @ symbol, if there will be any dot, we will neglect it. And if there will be any plus sign, we will neglect the string from the plus sign to the @ sign. So yeah, there are 2 constraints, like here look, it's test.email plus alex@leetcode.com. So what we will do is that we will simply remove this dot and we will remove the string after plus alex till the @ after @ everything is correct. We have to only change in the string which is before @ symbol. Okay, so yeah, it's a bit easy question, and let's talk about the approach. We will take hash set to make it to store the different elements, and at last I will simply return my hash set size. Okay, and yeah, like first of all, I will pass my string to the plus to check the plus sign, and suppose the function will return whatever it will return. It will return the string in which the plus sign, and after it will be removed. Okay, so yeah, without wasting time, let's start to code it. Okay, so first of all, let me make set, and what the set will contain, a string. Okay, just equal to new as set, and after that I will take out one by one string from the email string. Let's name it string str, or we can name it email only, and it will take out one by one string from emails. And now what I will do is I will first of all remove for the string. Okay, so first of all I will check for the plus symbol and try to remove the string after the plus symbol and before @ symbol. Okay, so yeah, let's name it plus. Okay, so it's named tmp, and it will get what it will get. Yeah, and I will pass it to the plus check and give it email. Okay, so suppose there is a function plus check which will remove plus and after its string till the @. And now second time what I will do is I will check for the dot symbol and try to neglect it. To do this, let's name it as res or anything, and it will be dot check. Let's name it as dot check email, not tmp, with the string which is removed by the returned by the plus check symbol. Okay, and yeah, after doing these 2 things, what it's remaining is simply adding it to the res. Okay, and at last I will return my hst.size, and the size will be the number of different addresses that actually receive mails. Okay, so now let's try to make the 2 functions. First of all, the plus check symbol. Okay, so let's make it static string plus check, and what it will get string email. Okay, and here what I will do is, first of all, look, we have to do only change before the @ symbol. Okay, so let me get the string which is before the @ symbol, and I will get it from, let's name it as before equal to email dot substring from what, from 0 to where, to the index of @. So email dot index of @. Okay, so yeah, it will get return the string before the @ symbol, and I will simply store after it the string also, email dot substring from email dot index. Okay, yeah, it's you can do it without even trying to store it, but yeah, it makes the program a bit simple. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it. And now int equal to 0, and from till when I will traverse till the before strings. Okay, so while I is less than before dot length. Okay, and here what I will do, I will simply check if my before dot char at I equal to @. If it's at the rate, so what I will do, I will simply break it, and if not, I will simply try to add my increment my I. Okay, so what it's doing is that if I have got at the rate, I will simply return, break down, and at last I will return what? I will return my before dot substring from 0 to I plus my afterward what is contained in the after, it contains from at the rate, it's contained in the after. Okay, and before, like here, it will be contained in after and it will be contained in the before, and in before, whenever I will get plus, I will simply break, and I take this much string and concatenate it with this much string and return it. Okay, and now one more function is remaining, it's static string and it's dot check. So yeah, dot check is a very easy function. String, let's say it's auto getting email, and here what I will do, I will first of all make it in a string builder. You all must be knowing what is the string builder. Okay, a string builder, and here I will add email, and the email is appended. Okay, and now I will int I equal to 0. I will run the loop from while I is less than email dot length. Okay, and if if email dot, oh sorry, it will be SB. Yeah, I am appending it in SB now. If SB dot char at I equal to dot, if it's dot, I will delete it. SB dot delete char at I, otherwise else I will simply increment it. Okay, and at last, after the loop will be, and yeah, I will not check if it's at the rate, and SB dot char at I not equal to at the rate. Yeah, till this only I will run, and at last I will return SB dot to string. Okay, so yeah, one more approach is coming in my mind, and what I will do is that I will not append email into my SB, and I will simply traverse my email string, and check if it's not the dot, and if it's not the dot, I will append it in SB, and if it's at the rate, after that, if any dot will come, I will append it. Okay, so yeah, but this approach is good, so yeah, I will take it, and let's try to run it. I think that it should run. Okay, yeah, hash set S should be capital. Now let's try. Okay, so yeah, it will be plus. I have to check if for the plus. Now I think it should run. Yeah, it's running 2 and 2. So let's try to submit it and check if it's get accepted or not. Yeah, it's accepted. So that's it. That was today's question. Hope you have liked the solution. If this explanation has helped you in understanding this question in a more easier way, I think the channel must deserve a subscribe. Please subscribe the channel, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep on coding. Jai.